This is a Westinghouse, no, not Westinghouse, Encon. It's the older version because it has the old Encon switch. It doesn't have Westinghouse on it. I'll just give this fan demonstration. I might just do one speed since none of the speeds are that different. This will be the highest setting. Alright, this speed is the best. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but the fan is off balanced. Okay, you can't really see it. That's the highest setting. And so now the speeds and no, there you go, now you can see it. But since now the speeds are that different, I'm just gonna go to the slowest setting. It makes that sound as it slows down. It's really not one of the best industrial fans. It barely moves any air, and it makes all that noise and it shakes. The only thing I like about these kind of fans is they have the ball and socket system. I never really like the J-hook systems. And that's the lowest setting. Now I'm gonna just turn this off. Anyway, that's it for this Encon fan. Thanks for watching.